If you're looking for a barbecue apron that you can grab and protect your clothing for parties and more, we're going to show you what this barbecue apron is about. We have an apron for cooking, indoors, outdoors, pockets, and more. It holds utensils. It is an apron for all occasions, indoor and outdoor barbecue, for protecting clothes, water resistant, machine washable. We'll show you what you get with the apron and show you at the barbecue. Binggle is a barbecue apron for indoor and outdoor parties, gifts, and more. As we unfold the apron to show you the design, check online for further details about the designs you are looking for. It is a weather-resistant apron. It's white in the background, strong cloth, strap adjustable over the neck, easy to tie by wrapping around, and again, or tying around in the back. Has pockets in the front that are for your utensils, napkins, and more. They open up on the inside as well as the outside large with a snap button located on the side over here. For parties, gifts, and more, machine washable, foldable. We'll demonstrate on the barbecue the apron. One size fits all, barbecue apron, party favorite apron, and more. We're barbecuing and we're getting ready. Put the apron on and ready to go. With the barbecue all set up. Occasions, parties, and more. Cookouts to keep clean when you want to barbecue. You have chicken on the grill. Use your apron for those occasions. Great for gifts and outdoor barbecues, indoor use, and more. Enjoy your barbecue, your utensil holders, and more. When all done, hang it up for the next time, or fold it. Put it up on the rack on the hook, and more.